everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. We are continuing our stock prediction series and today we are talking about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol TSM, which is down 14% in the last 1 month due to broader market volatility. But does this dip present a buying opportunity? In this video, I'll predict TSM's 1 year and 5 year price targets and analyze its key technical levels to determine whether it's a buy or not. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is the largest semiconductor foundry in the world, manufacturing chips for companies like Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm. Unlike companies that design their own chips such as Intel, TSMC focuses entirely on chip fabrication, making it a critical player in the AI, smartphone, and computing industries. Let me show you their revenue breakdown. TSMC generates revenue by producing advanced cutting-edge semiconductors used in high-performance computing, smartphones, IoT, and automotive industries. Their total 2024 revenue was $2,894 billion and their total profit margin is 40%. And TSMC is a market leader in 3 nanometer and 5 nanometer chip manufacturing. The demand for AI chips, autonomous vehicles, and cloud computing is skyrocketing, and TSMC is the center of this boom. Now that we understand TSMC dominance in semiconductor space, let's predict its future stock price using fundamental analysis. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal strategy and research here. So please do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Now let's first break down the fundamentals and see where this stock could be heading. I'll be using 3 key metrics to predict the stock price. And the first one is its current EPS, which is at $7.04. And the second key metric is expected annual EPS growth rate, which is currently sitting at 31.9%. And the last key metric is current PE ratio, which is 24.74. Using these 3 numbers, let me show you the projected 1 year stock price. Alright, using the above number, we get the projected EPS for 1 year is $9.29 and the projected price for 1 year is $230 and that's a potential gain of 30%. Now let's look at the projected 5-year stock price. Similarly, using the above numbers and compounding growth, we get projected EPS for 5 years as $28.10. And the projected price for 5 years is $695. That's a potential gain of 295%. That's nearly 300% upside in 5 years. Even in the short term, the stock has 30% growth potential based on my predictions. Now let's also check TSM's key support and buy levels. TSM is currently trading below its 200-day EMA, signaling a potential rebound. However, I always prefer to scale into positions at key support levels to lower my risk. And the first buy zone would be at $170, which is below its 200-day EMA. And then we have a strong support level at $156. And if it dips further, we have $133, which is a major support level, and finally we have $126 and $108. These are extreme dip buy levels. Here's my current plan. I don't own any shares of TSM right now, but I plan to start a position soon. Market pulls back further, I'll add more shares at $156, $133 and $126. And here are my final thoughts. TSM has strong business fundamentals. It's a market leader in semiconductor manufacturing. It has huge demand for AI, smartphones, and cloud computing. And with 30% short-term upside and 300% long-term upside, TSMC looks very attractive at current levels. And I plan to buy into the dip while watching for a potential rebound from key support levels. What are your thoughts on TSM? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.